Alright, welcome to question 14 of section 3.1. This is very similar to the video I did on question 13. You have a polynomial on the bottom. So use a little algebra trick where you move the polynomial from the bottom to the top. And when you do that, you have to negate the power or make it negative. So the a over t squared, as an example, would become a times t to the negative 2. And of course, from that point, just follow the standard derivative for higher order polynomial, where you move the power in front and you subtract 1 from the power. And remember that a and b here are just constants, so you treat them the same way you treat, like, say, the number 3 or the number 4. So let's go over and identify what we have. All right, so on the right-hand side, we have a polynomial on the bottom of a fraction and a constant on the top. So in my first step, I'm going to factor that constant out and put it in front of the d over dt. And I'm going to move that power from the bottom to the top by making it negative. So you have t to the power of negative 4. Now when we actually do the derivative, we put the old power in front, so you have that negative 4 in front, and you subtract 1 from the power. Negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. And of course, if you take negative 4 times b, you just get a negative 4b in front. And that's it. You do a very similar thing on the left-hand side. You can start by factoring out that a because it's a constant, and then you can move the t squared from the bottom to the top by negating the t, making it t to the negative 2. And now, when you take the derivative, you just move the negative 2 in front, and you subtract 1 from the negative 2. Negative 2 minus 1 is minus 3, and the negative 2 times a is just negative 2a. And that's all you have to do. So the only thing which this question is trying to teach you versus the previous question is, what do you do if you have a constant? And it's trying to help you practice moving powers from the bottom of a fraction to the top of a fraction. And to do that, you just negate it. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, as I'll be solving more problems from this chapter in the future. Thank you very much, and goodbye.